Alrighty, that's gonna be my booth right here, getting set up. Already got that there for tomorrow. Let's see, got my wood, got my kindling. All right, my tent, and where I'll be doing my demonstration at. And gonna be some other stuff around here too. Welcome to the cooking channel, y'all. Man, today is my demonstration. I'm finna go down there. I gotta go get ready and do this demonstration. And I'm doing a demonstration on some century. This gonna be like 19th century fried chitlings, man. Y'all gotta check it out. I know I've done chitlings before, but this gonna be the 19th century, what they would have done back in 1800s to really, and the ingredients they would have used back then when they done this here. And this is my second year doing it. I done the black cowboy beans, and I'm hoping they give me back a third year, so y'all got to really like. Y'all only got to subscribe, just like this video, so I can do this again, man. Hey, I'm excited about this here. There probably won't be a lot of talking in the video because there's gonna be a lot of people there, but I'm hoping y'all just check it out, like the video, and it's an old-fashioned way to cook them. Hey, we're gonna do this here, man. Cooking Joe, man. I gotta get going. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome to the second. This is the second demonstration for Juneteenth. I done last year. I done black cowboy beans. This year I'm doing fried chitlings, but I'm gonna do them the 19th century style. And the way I'm gonna do that there, I'm gonna use some vinegar. I got some crystal hot sauce, onion, bell pepper, clove of garlic, salt, black pepper. I got my hog lard. I got the cornmeal, and this is century period cornmeal. It's coarse kind, it was grind. And I'm gonna be cooking with old fashioned. Got my wood there. Old fashioned fire. All right, let's get started. Okay, just in case you missed it, I'm doing fried chitlins, and I know it's gonna be loud here, so that's why I'm trying to hurry up and get this part filmed out the way. And this is what you're gonna need. And since I have no other social media, I'm handing out cards. Right there's a list. Right there, and this is for our Juneteenth. And I hope y'all really like this video. Yeah, really like it. Thumbs it up. You don't have to subscribe, just thumbs it up so I can be able to do this another year. Thank you, Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty, got my garlic, jalapeno, onions, and bell pepper cut up, and got my fire started. And now we finna get started.
I had two of them out there just playing like house cats. Yeah. They're just sitting there playing, and I was like, nah, I ain't gonna bother y'all. Not really. Yeah. I'll let y'all go. Y'all ain't gonna bother nothing. Pretty good size. Oh, not as big as that other one. Yeah.
Batch number 2. Oh, they back on.
Hello?
Alrighty. Oh man. This was fun. This was fun. Well, it's supposed to be the end of the video, man. So much people want something. Now I gotta do another batch. So I'm warming back up some more grease, and I'm ready to fry some more. I told y'all, man, y'all like this video, man. Show them, Cooking General, this boy can handle it. I can do it again another year. Ask somebody. Welcome to the Cooking General, boy. Hey, that was success. I hope y'all like this video, man. Hey, I had no chitlins left. They all was gone. Matter of fact, I had a half a thing left, and I'm like, okay. Then it was steadily coming in like, man, do some more. I had to put on some more grease. I didn't really get to film that part, but I had to fry some more. It was all gone. It was success. And I need y'all to make a success just by hitting the like. You ain't got to subscribe, just hit the like button. And I'm going to try to do this again next year. And I got something special I'm going to do next year. And oh yeah, I got a new dessert video coming out too. You have to check that out. I'm doing videos now once every 2 weeks. And this thing, when you watch this now, it's gonna be coming out that Friday at 6, and 2 weeks later, another video will be coming out. Hey, Cooking General doing good, and I thank all of y'all for my subscribers. And man, y'all just keep it like y'all doing. Hey, we're gonna keep this thing going. Cooking General, man, let's do this.